Hello, team. Here is the justification for the design choices Brian and I made when creating this infographic. Principles of alignment are throughout the infographic, mainly utilizing invisible lines and matching heights and widths. The title sequence utilizes both the principles of anomaly and contrast to first draw a viewer's attention, then focus on the text. This section on the left is a visualized number utilizing the principle of anomalies to draw the viewer's attention to both the text and shape. The section on the right is an isotype, which utilizes color contrast between a black background and a green shapes to draw attention to the shapes. The section on the left is another visualized number utilizing contrast to focus on the text. The section on the right is a variant of a pie chart, sometimes called a ring chart. The ring chart utilizes the complementary colors of green and red to draw viewers' attention. Both sections utilize the same background picture to give continuity. The section on the left is vertical column chart or bar chart. Each bar is a vibrant blue to contrast from the dark background. On the right side is another ring chart utilizing complementary colors. Both sections again utilize the same background picture for continuity. The section on the left is another visualized number utilizing contrast to highlight the text. The section on the right is a bar chart utilizing color contrast. The two sections utilize the same background for continuity. The conclusion section utilizes contrast between background picture and text.